Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we pit products against each other to help you make the smartest purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums with two heavyweights ready to clean up the competition. On the left, we have the Roborock Q Revo, and on the right, we've got the Tikom Robot Vacuum and Mop. Who will suck the least? Let's find out. Let's start with the price. The Roborock Q Revo comes with a premium price tag of $899. It's definitely an investment, possibly justified by its high-end features. Meanwhile, the Tikom Robot Vacuum and Mop is more budget-friendly at $399, making it accessible for those looking for a smart cleaning solution without breaking the bank. When it comes to suction power, the Roborock Q Revo boasts an impressive 5,500 pascals, making it a powerhouse for deep cleaning. Reviewers appreciate its strong suction, especially for picking up pet hair and debris. On the other hand, the Tikom Robot Vacuum and Mop offers a respectable 3,000 pascals. While not as strong as the Roborock, reviews highlight its efficiency in regular household cleaning, making it a solid performer. Next up, mopping features. The Roborock Q Revo features dual spinning mops that rotate at 200 RPM and intelligently lift when on carpets. Reviewers love this feature for keeping carpets dry and clean. Tikom, meanwhile, offers a 2-in-1 sweeping and mopping function with adjustable water levels. It's versatile, though perhaps not as advanced as Roborock's system, but still gets praise for its effectiveness in mopping. Navigation and mapping are crucial for any robot vacuum. The Roborock Q Revo uses reactive tech obstacle avoidance and PreciSense LiDAR navigation with 3D mapping, making it highly efficient in avoiding obstacles and covering every inch of your home. Reviewers have noted its precision and reliability. The Tikom Robot Vacuum and Mop also impresses with its 360 degrees LiDAR navigation and the ability to store up to 5 maps. It's highly praised for its navigation skills and ease of use in multi-floor homes. Battery life is another important factor. The Roborock Q Revo doesn't specify its battery life, but reviews suggest it's sufficient for large homes, with some users noting it can clean up to 2,100 square. Featuring Tikom, however, boasts a specific 150 minutes of runtime, which is enough for comprehensive cleaning sessions. Reviewers appreciate its long battery life and the fact that it resumes cleaning after recharging. Lastly, let's talk smart features. The Roborock Q Revo comes with a multifunctional dock that includes auto mop washing and hot air drying, essentially acting like a personal butler for your vacuum. Reviewers appreciate these high-end features for convenience. The Tikom Robot Vacuum and Mop offers app and voice control, with support for Alexa and Google Home, which makes it easy to control remotely. Reviewers find these features user-friendly and convenient for everyday use. Overall, reviews for the Roborock Q Revo highlight its powerful suction, advanced mopping features, and precise navigation. However, its high price is a consideration. The Tikom Robot Vacuum and Mop, on the other hand, receives praise for its affordability, efficient cleaning, and user-friendly smart features. Both are highly recommended, but your choice depends on whether you prioritize high-end features or budget-friendly efficiency. So there you have it, folks. The Roborock Q Revo and the Tikom Robot Vacuum and Mop. Two robotic vacuums ready to make your life easier. Whether you're looking for the ultimate cleaning beast or a budget-friendly helper, we hope this comparison helped you decide. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which vacuum you'd pick and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, stay smart and keep those floors clean.